Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to discuss two pairs. One, I'm going to be just doing a little on-feet portion for. This is the Anti-Hero SB Dunk High. Just cop these. I actually don't regret it. I'm going to kind of discuss why. And the other one is a pair that I'm also going to be doing an on-feet review for. That'll be a little bit into next week since we got some other content we got to put out tomorrow. The Jumpman Jack Dark Mochas have loaded, things like that. So we're going to make some how-to cops and other videos for those. But this SB Dunk Glow right here, the Seattle Supersonics Sb Dunk Glow, I believe there's another official name for it. But aside from that, these are now loaded, dropping on December 7th. So I hope you guys are ready for this. Dropping in December, as we've been saying here on the channel. So yeah, we had accurate information there. Hopefully that was helpful to you guys, so you all can plan around when you'd want the sneaker or have the money ready if you really wanted it. So we'll get into that. We'll do some release detail stuff for this one, retail price, and then for the other one, we're gonna just do some on-feet stuff and discuss why I really like this sneaker. And it's a pretty cheap, SB and go cop right now. So we'll get into it. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, let's try to 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know this is the type of content that y'all want more of. And you can also check me out. My IG's down below. I'm always buying, selling, trading there. So if you ever want to do any business with me, feel free. I got lots of stuff for sale on my story, and just help support the channel here. And my cat who just came out. What's up, buddy? How you doing? And you can also check us out down below at Resale Vision. You can see some of the deals that we're doing this week, the ones that are on the schedule. I mean, we do them every single day. So we did some last night, day before that, and we'll also be giving away a pair of the Dark Mocha Jumpman Jacks coming up. So if that sounds like anything that interests you right there, don't miss out. Join down below. But yeah, that's everything I need to say. I hope y'all will enjoy. And why don't we get into reviewing, well, these two SBs. Let's get into some details. So I really want to discuss this SB Dunk High, but I think it's better that we discuss this pair right here first. So again, keep in mind the Seattle Supersonics SB Dunk Glow. These are going to be dropping for a retail price. I think it was $125. Yeah, $125. I just checked Sneakers app right there. But yeah, overall, it's a pretty clean sneaker. Like in terms of materials, I'll let y'all get a close-up look. Like it's a colorway that pops, just a regular GR SB Dunk Glow though, so keep that in mind. They'll probably make a decent amount of them. They'll drop at all the normal skate shop and online Shopify locations we see GR SB Dunk Glows released. So this isn't going to be a pair, in my opinion, that will flip for a crazy amount. If it does, you know what I mean? You see a lot of these recent GR SB Dunk Glows have not been flipping. So this might be one of those pairs you can just wait a little bit on. That's my personal best advice I have. If you want the best price on this pair, you should just wait. You know what I mean? I got a couple available on my IG. Hey, if anybody's interested. This is just my personal, so I'm gonna end up towing these right here. I should be able to fit in them. They're an 8.5. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to really loosen the laces because I'm truly like a size 9. But this could work. I could make it work. But yeah, y'all can also see the soles on them. Pretty cool, nice design. So yeah, that's the main thing I just want to let y'all know about the sneaker. The release is coming up December 7th. Don't miss it. Mainly a personal pair, but you might be able to get a couple pairs sold locally, something like that. Maybe some people. If you live in Seattle, you know what I mean. Definitely gonna be able to get some sales on these. I mean, Seattle Supersonics, some OGs are definitely going to be going crazy for these. So, yeah, if you're over there in Seattle, be paying attention to this release December 7th. All right, but aside from that, we'll discuss some other information in this video, but I really want to get into these SB Dunk Highs right here. So let me move those SBs over right here, those lows. And as you guys can see, this is the Anti-Hero and Nike SB Dunk High. Overall, y'all can see we got some gray laces with them as well. Pretty nice. The Anti-Hero logo on the tongue tag on both the sneakers. And the main reason I like this pair, I mean, it is a very basic, very simple colorway. Like, there's literally nothing on it, right? Like, they have their logo, but aside from that, it's a plain SB Dunk High. I mean, there's nothing going on, you know what I mean? Other than, I guess, the heel right here, as y'all were letting me know, this logo is kind of embossed right here. Hopefully I was saying that correctly. It's kind of pressed on to the back right there of the leather. As you guys can see, it just is the Anti-Hero logo. So that's pretty cool. You do kind of see that, and also the cracked leather a little bit, which is present kind of here by the laces. So, I mean, there are some details that are visible, but you kind of have to see that up close. If you just were looking at these from a distance, right? You would just think it's an all-white, Nike sneaker. That you wouldn't really think it's anything special or anything like that. So obviously, I don't think that's really their goal with this. It is a collaboration, but I definitely feel like they could have put in more effort. I mean, most of the effort is on a part of the sneaker you don't even see. You know what I mean? Like the insoles are super cool. Let me show y'all these. Also, the aglets, the end of the laces right here, pretty cool. You see, it's like a metal lace tip. That's not going to focus because of my face, so let me just get out of the way. But yeah, it doesn't really need to focus on that. But yeah, it's metal lace tips. Thought that was cool. Same thing we see on some My Ear collabs. As you guys can see, here's what I'm talking about. Like, most of the effort like, this is a really, really cool insole, and I think it's a touch to the last anti-hero SB Dunk Highs. I could be wrong, but I mean, that's a really cool part. I would like to see, more of that. And look at that, you know what I mean? Like, I didn't even notice that. I just saw it when I was looking on the back, but you see what I mean? Like, there's, like what? Why aren't these details on the outside of the Dunk High? You know what I mean? Like, they don't need to be on portions we literally will never see. But I guess that's what we're doing. So, yeah, that's my only disappointment with this collab is, like, all the cool parts you, like, don't see. Like, the other one's even cooler than the insole I just showed you. It doesn't say Nike SB, it says Anti-Hero, but it has, like, the exact same, like, style on it. So, still nice. But, yeah, why don't we get this pair on? I paid a bit high for these because, keep in mind, I just went to my local skate shop and bought them. I could literally have gotten them cheaper through StockX and waited a couple days, but I needed a video, and I already was going there to get, like, those smoke gray SB Dunk clothes that just dropped, kind of like the black and gray and gum bottom ones. I was trying to cop a pair of those, but they sold out pretty fast. So, hey, SB scene in Charlotte's getting a lot bigger. That's pretty dope. But yeah, I've just been so busy, so I haven't been able to, like, stop by there. But, I wasn't able to get those. I got these, so why don't we just do a little review, you know what I mean? And, the reason I don't regret buying these, I was actually going to say this towards the start, or as I mentioned towards the start of the video, is the inside of the sneaker. Y'all can see there's a ton of padding on the inside of the shoe by your heel, so it's actually a super comfy SB Dunk High. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not going to, like, rub up on the back of your heel, just like, or like, the tongue tag is kind of like a softer, it's kind of more like a blazer, you know what I mean? And they also dropped a pair of blazers with these, but it's kind of more like a blazer high. And it's, still kind of a firm tongue tag, but you can see you can really loose lace them, and it's like these just kind of slip on and off, and they're really, really nice and easy to wear. That's probably my favorite part of this shoe, but aside from that, they're pretty plain. I mean, I feel like most of us can come to that conclusion. There's not too much going on with this shoe, but it's still nice. So yeah, let's just get these on feet and do a little, review that way for them, you know what I mean? Show y'all what they look like when we got them on our toes. So let's go. But yeah, don't forget the gray laces with these too. Really nice. I love the fat, like, SB laces like these, and I think they should use the metal lace tips more. But, that's my personal opinion. I think people would probably disagree with that little portion at the end there, but I like these. Really nice. So as y'all can see, they're pretty easy to lace up. I mean, I still got to do some work here. Like, I'm just, like, pretty much my first time putting both these on my feet. The only one I put on, I think, was the right shoe yesterday when I was, like, trying them on in the skate shop, seeing how they fit, and these ended up working pretty good. But yeah, overall, pretty comfy on feet. I mean, as y'all can see, it just looks like an all-white SB Dunk High. But let's get into some better shots. I just want to let y'all know they're fitting good, they're snug, and they're, not too hard to lace. But we still got some work. As y'all can see, the laces are, like, touching the ground. So I'll be tripping over myself if I leave them like this. So let's fix them a bit, and let's get into it. Alright, so I got a little wear for these today. I just went like to UPS and went and did a favor for my dad. But aside from that, you guys can see, I mean, they still look like I haven't really worn them. But yeah, I mean, it's a nice shoe. It holds up pretty well overall for my small little wear of them for like an hour or two when I had them on. Yeah, they're pretty comfy. I don't have any complaints. Like, as I was saying, it's pretty padded back here. I'll continue to wear them if I end up doing anything today. Like later in the day, like tonight. So yeah, that's really my thoughts on this pair. It's comfy, it looks pretty good, and yeah, just a simple all white Dunk High you could wear around. So that's really how I'm feeling about it. I like them like this. So, and I like the tongue tag. I like that they did it a little bit different. I think if it was just kind of like those over there, right, the candy corns, it would have been a little weird, but they work good like this. So that's my thoughts. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna edit in well, you probably already saw it in the video, but yeah, some stuff about, the anti-hero highs, how they were like wearing around, things like that. They're very comfy. So if I didn't edit in anything about like how they are to wear around, they're a comfy pair. They're very nice. I'll be rocking them a lot more. So y'all will see that. And don't forget, this upcoming SB Dunk Glow we got December 7th. So make sure you guys are ready for this pair. I know some of you guys have been asking for an exact release date. Don't worry, it's on sneakers now, so if you don't gotta ask, just check sneakers. It's right there. And you guys will see how to cop for the Jumpman Jack Dark Mochas within the next day or two, probably within the next day. So that'll probably be my video for Sunday, I think, because, you know, again, the drops on like the 26th, which is very, very soon. As they normally do Travis releases, they just load them up like a few days before. They give people no preparation. So yeah, that's how it is. But I appreciate you guys, and again, if you want more content like this, subscribe and like down below. It's trying to 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know these are the types of content that y'all want more. Just, you know, reviews, unboxings, just kind of chill stuff like this. And you can check me out. My IG's down below. Always buying, selling, trading. I post a lot of reels here as well. Try and get a new one out today. So maybe y'all will see that later today, if not tomorrow. I just, you know, I got a decently busy day. So yeah, we're going to get that stuff out of the way. And of course, us at Resale Vision down below. Excuse me if I can say it correctly. You can see some of the deals we're doing this week, the ones we did last night. People win stuff every day, and we'll be sure to do more tonight, so don't miss out on that. You guys will see that in there. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go sort out my stuff I got to do today, and then yeah, it'll be a chill day for the rest of the day. Hopefully I'll get some rest, and that'll be it. So I'm T. Thank you guys. Hopefully I will catch you all in the next video coming soon, and that'll be tomorrow. See you guys then. Hopefully. If not, it's not the end of the world. You know, we all got life. We all get busy. All right, catch y'all. Peace.